Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello viewers, my name is Karisma Purnama Agustin with NPM 2117061013 from Applied Biology Lampung University. In this video, I want you to talk about Sansevieria. Sansevieria or mother-in-law tongue is a fairly popular grouper of decorative plants because it grows in poor water and sunlight. Sansevieria had a solid, sparkling, upright leaf with a pointed end. Sansevieria is known as a Sansevieria-in-law tongue plant because of its sharp form. Sansevieria not only as a houseplant but also has the benefits of growing hair, treating diabetes, hemorrhoid, to malignant cancer. The fibers were used as clothing material. Among other plants, Sansevieria has this not only as a houseplant but also has the benefits of growing hair, treating diabetes, hemorrhoid, to malignant cancer. The fibers were used as clothing material. Among other plants, Sansevieria has the distinction of absorbing toxic substances such as carbon dioxide, benzene, formaldehyde, and trichlor substances such as carbon dioxide, benzene, formaldehyde, and trichloroethylene, and the short circular leaf in rosette measuring 8 cm length and 3.6 in width. The long group had pointed leaves like the blade of a sword, and for this reason it was referred to Sansevieria as a sword plant. It is thickly leafed and has a succulent water content, so it is resistant to drought. But in damp or wet conditions, Sansevieria can thrive. Sansevieria leaves vary in color, become dark green, light green, gray-green, silver, and in combination of yellow with or yellow-green. The grooves or lines on the leaf are also varied, some following the direction of the fibers, irregular, and other zigzagging. A Sansevieria flower is found in a mallee that grows upright from the stem of the system. A Sansevieria flower includes a two. Boutique and pollen flower are not in one flower. A flower that has a stigma is called a female flower, whereas those is pollen are called the male flower. The flower produces an aromatic aroma which includes two types of Sansevieria, a native of the Sansevieria or species, and the second a hybrid one that might be called a Sansevieria hybrid. It is from this hybrid from the Sansevieria will be created with a character and physical difference from its host, or what is often called a hybrid species or a Sansevieria hybrid. A Sansevieria mutation can also occur from a trickle to a lipstick. The habitat of the mothers-in-law plants is either a forested desert or mountains that have low rainfall or arid climates. The dispersal patterns are in the tropical climate. Most of the tongue from East Africa, Arabia, South Asia, about East India. Some island in the Pacific. The number of these plant culinary devices in the world is now to contain about 100 different cultures. They have leaves that vary in shape, color, size, and texture. The habitat of the mothers-in-law tongue plants is a likely moist environment. Low rainfall, no more than 250 nanometers. The habitat of the mother-in-law tongue plant is a like moist environment. Low rainfall, no more than 250 mm or 250 years. Sunlight for full sunlight 1000 to 10,000, and the temperature of a 10 to 55 hybrid. Optimum temperature for ground is 25 to 29 degrees at optimum temperature for ground is 25 to 29 degrees. Optimum temperature for ground is 24 to 29 degrees at noon and 18 to 21 degrees at all night. Here, I will also share a simple method of how to care for my mother-in-law's tongue. All kinds, the mother-in-law tongue plant is almost the same way to treat it because it has almost the same characteristic in his growth. In here is how you treat your mother-in-law tongue. Make sure you provide sufficient sunlight for your mother-in-law. The long exposure to the sun directly, sprinkling the garden of mother-in-law tongue by spraying the ground once a week each. Morning, do not place the mother-in-law tongue in a room with too much temperature. Okay, and then use appropriate media to soak up water so that the sansevieria can grow better and survive longer, using enough for a compass of worms or for a slower result. Fertilizer is enough for a more specific 2-week tongue spare, so that the sansevieria will not be easily likely insect or will visits. You can put your sansevieria in a room that has a good air. Want to keep this house well developed. Spraying the ground once a week is morning. Do not place the mother-in-law's tongue in a room with too much temperature. Use appropriate media to soak up water so that the sansevieria can grow better and survive longer, using enough for a compost of worms or for a slower result. Fertilizer just enough for a more that the sansevieria will not be easily like insect or will bases. You can put your sansevieria in a room that has a good air when to keep this houseplant well developed. Longer, using enough for a compost of worms or for a slower release. Fertilizer just enough for a more specific spray so that the sansevieria will not die easily like insect or wild air when to keep the houseplant well developed. How's the tip? It is easy, isn't it? Okay, so this is just a week ago planting my sansevieria. That's all news for today. I am Karisma Purnama Agustin. Thank you for watching.
I know that you've been gone, you and me, we don't belong.